how to clear cache of NGL app on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, is your NGL app glitching and you want to clear the cache to solve it? Then you are in the right place. Let's dive right in. You'll need to head over to your iPhone settings and then go to General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Now just search for the NGL app, and then once you find the app, you just need to tap on it and then tap on Offload app. So offloading NGL will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So basically you'll need to reinstall the app again, and then while it is being reinstalled, it will update to the latest version and it will clear all the cache of the app. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.